So here we're going to look at graphing an absolute value function. Now this is the general form of the equation right here, where A is our slope, what we usually refer to as M, and H and K make our vertex. Now what you need to be careful of here, because the general form is minus H, is that you're going to change the sign of that value when you write or locate the vertex on your graph. So let's have a look at the one we have here. Y equals the absolute value of x minus 4 minus 4. So we always start with our vertex. So let's have a look. These two values here, and this one needs to be the opposite sign. So it's going to be at 4 and negative 4. So let's just put a point on 4 and negative 4 right there. And then we'll have a look at the slope. Now there's no number here in front of our absolute value sign, which means it's actually the number 1. So if you're a visual learner, you might want to put the number 1 in there just to help you out. So a slope of 1 means we go up 1 and across 1. So from our point over here, we go up 1 and across 1, up 1 and across 1. And we have to do that on both sides, up 1, across 1, up 1, across 1, and we can keep going on the left. We've run out of room on the right, but that's okay. And then you just connect the dots. So there we have our absolute value function with a vertex at 4 and negative 4 and a slope of 1. So let's have a look at another one. First, we do our vertex. So we have a look at H and K. If we have a look at this equation, there is an H, so we know X is 1, but there's no K, which means it's 0. So our vertex is at 1 and 0. And we put a point on our grid at 1, 0. Then we have a look at our slope, and it's negative 1, which means we go down 1 and across 1. So our absolute value graph is going to be an upside down V. So from our point, we go down 1, across 1, down 1, across 1, down 1, across 1, etc. and do the same on the left, because the left-hand side is a mirror image. And there you have it, an absolute value function with a vertex at 1, 0 and a slope of negative 1.